So if you ever run into a small bathroom where it's just really hard to get maybe the whole shower and the vanity in the same shot, well, instead of taking two images, we can composite and do vertical shower unit, vanity unit, put them together side by side and deliver one photo to the realtor. I'm going to show you how to set that up and how to put that together. So let's get into Lightroom right now and I'll show you how we do it. Okay, so here's our vertical shot of that shower unit. And here is our vertical shot of the vanity unit. And all I did was pop a flash above the camera here. And then for the shower, I pretty much camera left, off to the side, up and over this glass unit. And that's it, just one flash pop for each of these. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a horizontal shot. I actually wasn't planning on doing this, and I decided at the last minute I'm going to do two vertical shots because this was going to be the photo I was going to deliver, and instead we're going to deliver two images into one. And so what we're going to do is we're going to actually use this one as a template, and we're going to click on it. We'll click on our vertical shower shot and our vertical vanity shot, right click, edit in, open as layers in Photoshop. Okay, so once you have your three images in Photoshop, it's going to look something like this. But remember, this is the template where we want to lay those two other images over this just to give us try to create about the same size image as the other images. So we're going to come down to the middle image, and we're going to come up here to Edit, Transform, and then Scale. And you know what? I'm going to Command minus sign to make this smaller, and we're going to take and pull this from the corner and kind of line this up. Now we need this one above the other one. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our top image and bring this all the way to the bottom like that. Come back up to the top, and let's see if we can still manipulate this. Let's go back up to Edit, Transform, Scale again. There we go. Now, because of the way this door is right here, I want to cut that off. Actually, yeah, let's try to do this. Let's move this over to here, off to this side. And then we're going to click on the middle layer here, which is this one, but we have to resize it. So let's do that. Let's come up here to Edit, Transform, Scale. Click on it, and now we should be able to pull this one. But see, I want to put this one on top of that door. We're going to cover this door. So let's move this to the top. There we go. And now we can continue to resize this. We got to come back up and do it all over again. Edit, Transform, Scale. And we can slide that down to let it fit more. Let's move it over. So there's where the door is. We can kind of go right up to the edge of that toilet and make that about as even as the other one. I like the way that looks. And you know what we're going to do is we're going to right click now and flatten image. Okay. Now that we have the image flattened, we're actually going to just leave this. We're going to be able to crop this in Lightroom, so we're not even going to bother with it. But we want to try to make a separation here so this doesn't look like one room. So we're going to come up here and right click on your brush tool and choose the pencil tool. Come down here and make sure that you're on black right there. And again, this is personal preference, but I'm going to click right here at the top of the image and then come down here. Don't click, just hold it right there at the corner and then shift and then click again, and we're going to make a line. Now I'm going to undo that because I want that a little thicker. So we're going to resize this to maybe 30, 31, and that's going to look a lot better. So we click, come down here to the bottom, hold down shift, and then click again, and we make a line. So now what we can do is just Command S to save this, come back into Lightroom, click on our crop tool, and if you notice that this pulls like that, where it kind of goes, kind of keeps it to scale, That means we have to take this little lock here and click on it. It'll unlock it. It'll kind of free it up. So let me just pull this up right like that, and then click over here, and there you go. In a situation like this where you can't get the vanity and the shower in the same shot, just do 2 vertical images and put them together. Your realtor will appreciate that. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more tutorials coming your way, so we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.